Hey everyone. Sorry, not a great way to start, but anyhow, how you all doing? It's nice and warm out today. Lots of sun and the snow is melting away. Anyhow, um, uh, yesterday I went to Michael's, and then I also went to Dollarama afterwards. But I went with my daughter-in-law. Now, it was a trip that we planned for a week, and I told her I would take her out. I would treat her for lunch. Anyhow, so I went to a different Michael's, and I was so excited about going to this one because I hadn't been to like I said before, my Michael's is a small store. So anyhow, so anytime I see somebody do a haul video from Michael's here in where I live in Quebec, it's like, wow, like I can't find stuff like that at my Michael's. But anyhow, so I got myself all worked up and I was really excited, and what a letdown. Anyhow, yeah, it's a bigger store. All it is a lot of floor space, and that's all it is. Um, it's not really that much different from my Michael's. Anyhow, so I did pick up a few things, and I got a bottle of the 8-ounce bottle of the clear clear gel tacky glue alines, and I I don't have much left. I have a smaller bottle and it's almost empty. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So I decided I'm gonna buy a bigger one of this, and I got let's see, Deco Arts Dazzling Metallics. It's a copper. I love this color. There you go. And I got a white gel pen, and I got this is a Uniball, and I got one. This is a gold, and this one is a bronze or a copper. It's a bronze. Okay, and the gold I tried, and it works sometimes and it doesn't work sometimes. So anyhow, so I got those, and I found some bead landings charms. So those are cool. I'll put a little picture in the center of those. These are frames, and there's 6 to a package, and they're different colors. And it's open on the top, so you can slip a picture inside. You can see that. Okay, I got 2 packages of those. They were on sale, and I got this what do you call them? They're dinosaur skull charms. Now it was on sale also. There's one missing, so that's okay. Those are awesome. And I got one, a couple of owl charms. One's of a clock. One is a clock. Hang on, I have to get out of the package so you can see it better, hopefully. There you go. Okay. Now, what I also got was embossing powder. I don't have any, so I finally bought. It's black, It's called Ebony. Uh, Anyhow, so I bought that, and I got the Recollections clear ink embossing pad with the refill. And I got the Stays On opaque white cotton pad with the refill. Anyhow, I was looking for, because I don't have a heat gun to be able to do some embossing. Anyhow, the only one they had there was like $75, and I've never heard of the brand before. I don't know who the maker was, and it was like the same size as like my hair dryer. So I didn't buy it. Anyhow, I guess I'm gonna have to look somewhere else to try to find a heat gun so I can do some embossing. Anyhow, so that was Michael's. I'm just gonna put it all in a bag. Put it in the bag for now. So it was nice spending time with my my daughter-in-law. You know, it's good to get out and do something different. There you go. So, and then we went to a Dollarama. Now, let's see, where do I start? I got a few food items like crackers and that, but I'm not going to show you that. I'm just going to show you what I got in the crafts as far as crafts go. So I found these butterfly stickers. They're lace. They're beautiful, and they had different colors, but I just bought this color. And I figured, you know, I'll take one out to show you. I figured what I can do with this is I could cut one of them apart. It's supposed to be sticker. Okay, I see there's sticker dots on the back, on the card. Anyhow, so I figured what I could do is I could cut it in half and use it for like angel wings. Look at that, pretty. Anyhow, so that's the only package I bought. Like I said, they had different colors. Okay, come on, go back inside there. Don't give me a hard time. And I bought another I bought another one of these vintage paper stacks. That's that one. Like those. And I got more of these here. They're the faux suede cord. And this one's the gray, gold, and black. And this one is white, cream color, and light brown. And okay, that's same as the other one. And I got another one like this that I bought the other day. It's the brown, light brown, gray, and the dark brown. So that's what I got. And I found I found these finally because my other Dollaramas around where I am, I haven't been able to find these. And they're the Friskus micro tip scissors, and they're a lifetime guarantee on these. Anyhow, I had bought 2 pairs, so and that's it. That's my haul. Dollarama and Michaels. Anyhow, so I hope you guys have a great rest of the week and have fun crafting. I'll see you later. Ciao.